Okay, and this video is to show a quick release. The whole point of this is you're getting the ball and you're releasing it as soon as possible. It's got to be within a second, really. Catch, gone. And I'll show additional drills where you can practice this. But if you're able to get rid of the ball quickly, you can shoot really at any time, anywhere, depending on your range. But that's it. Catch it, shoot it, release it. Very important aspect to be able to get your shot off at any time on the court against any competition.